Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today, Daniel and Lily are at a coffee shop. If you have ever felt stuck translating in your head before speaking English, this one is for you. Let's join them.
Right, I need this coffee. Back-to-back meetings since 9.
Same. I ordered the wrong thing just now. I meant to say oat milk, and I said oak milk.
Oak milk? What did they say?
They just stared at me, then said, "Do you mean oat?"
That's brilliant. Right, can I ask you something?
Always.
I've been helping my cousin with her English. She moved here 6 months ago and she's really struggling. Not with understanding, she understands everything. But the moment she has to speak, she freezes. She translates everything in her head first, and by the time she's figured out the sentence, the moment has passed.
Oh, that's so relatable. I did French at school, and I remember exactly that feeling. Someone would ask me something, and I'd be frantically translating in my head. Meanwhile, my face was just doing nothing.
The blank face. Yes, she does exactly that. What I told her is, translating is actually the problem. The moment you translate, your brain is doing double the work. It's exhausting.
So what's the alternative?
Think in English directly. Start small. When you wake up, just think about your day in English. What am I going to do today? I need to reply to that email. Just simple thoughts. In English.
Does that actually work?
It genuinely does. My cousin started 2 weeks ago, and she already says her brain feels less panicked when she speaks. Less of a gap between the thought and the words.
What else?
Stop trying to be perfect. So many people freeze because they're scared of making a mistake. They want the sentence to be completely right before it comes out. But that's not how language works, not even for native speakers. I say the wrong thing all the time.
Oh, constantly. I said, "I could care less," in a meeting last week, and someone corrected me in front of everyone. Very mortifying.
Oh no, but that's exactly the point. You made a mistake. The world didn't end. You moved on. Say it even if it's wrong, every time. Because mistakes teach you everything. Silence teaches you nothing.
I wish someone had told me that when I was learning French. I was so scared of being laughed at that I barely spoke for 2 years.
Most learners are like that. And one more thing. Talk to yourself. I know it sounds mad, but it works. Narrate your day out loud in English. I'm making tea. I'm going to be late again. Your brain connects thoughts to words so much faster.
I'll do that on my walk to work. People will think I've lost the plot.
Just put your headphones in. They'll think you're on a call. And stop looking up every word. When you don't know something, describe it. That's what native speakers do anyway. Don't know the word umbrella? Say, the thing you hold over your head when it rains. Completely natural.
What about watching films and TV shows? Does that help?
Massively. But watch without subtitles in your own language. Use English subtitles or none at all. The moment you read your own language, your brain switches back and starts translating again.
Train your ears, not your eyes.
Exactly. Your brain is always listening even when you think it isn't.
I feel like your cousin is very lucky to have you.
I'll tell her you said that. Right. My coffee has gone cold.
Worth it. Come on then.
If anyone listening is going through what my cousin is going through, you are not alone. The translating, the freezing, the blank face, it's normal. It means you're learning.
And the oat milk moments.
Especially the oat milk moments.
Today's tips. How to stop translating and start thinking in English. Think in English from the moment you wake up. Stop trying to be perfect. Say it, even if it is wrong. Talk to yourself out loud in English. And when you don't know a word, describe it. Mistakes teach you faster than silence. Always. And that's an end of today's conversation. Join us every Tuesday and Friday for a brand new episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Grammar Tales.